I'm tired. Oh, thank you.
Wake up, Mommy.
No, Mommy's gonna sleep. Oh, thank you, Indy. That feels good.
My underwear.
Can you keep patting me? Oh, yeah. Oh, thanks. I needed that.
Wait a minute. This was supposed to be a family day, not a Francis all alone day.
Come here, sweetie.
You hit hard.
Listen, we're really sorry, Francis, but your sister is sick.
I wish I didn't have a sister.
Oh.
Now, you don't really think that.
Oh.
Yes, I do. She ruins everything. Everything.
You will wait.
Francis.
I am?